Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to clean your liver. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. It has more than 500 vital functions, including producing certain proteins for blood clotting, producing bile to aid in digestion, storing vitamins and minerals, and breaking down old red blood cells. When the liver is clogged with toxins, it can't function properly, and diseases like fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis can develop. In this video, we'll look at how to clean your liver. Before we get into the top 10 foods that will help clean your liver, let's take a look at how to do it. The first step is to avoid processed foods. These include foods like white bread, white rice, and pastries. They're high in refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats, which can lead to fatty liver disease. Step 2, cut back on sugar. Fructose, in particular, is bad for the liver. It can cause the liver to make more cholesterol, which can lead to clogged arteries and heart disease. Step 3 is to limit alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can damage the liver cells and lead to inflammation and scarring of the liver. Step 4 is to maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese puts extra strain on the liver, which can lead to fatty liver disease. Step 5 is to stop smoking. Smoking damages the small blood vessels in the liver, which can lead to liver disease. By following these steps, you can help reduce the risk of liver disease and improve the overall health of your liver. Let's now take a look at the 10 healthy foods that can help clean your liver. Number 1, coffee. Several studies have shown that people who drink 1 to 4 cups of antioxidant-rich coffee per day have a lower risk of developing liver cancer, cirrhosis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Coffee also helps the liver produce more bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. Make sure to avoid adding too much sugar or cream, though, as this can negate some of the liver protective benefits of coffee. Number 2, green tea. Like coffee, green tea contains antioxidants that can help protect against liver damage. Studies show that people who drink green tea regularly have a lower risk of developing liver cancer. Green tea also helps the liver produce more glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify harmful substances. Number 3, salmon. This fatty fish is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver and prevent fatty liver disease. Salmon is also a good source of protein and B vitamins, which are important for liver function. To keep your liver healthy, aim to eat at least 2 servings of fish per week, one of which should be salmon. Number 4, walnuts. Walnuts are another food that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help improve liver health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Walnuts are also a good source of fiber, which can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Number 5, avocados. Avocados are a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help improve liver health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. They're also a good source of fiber, vitamin E, and various B vitamins, all of which are important for liver function. Number 6, bell peppers. Bell peppers are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help protect against liver damage. They're also a good source of other important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate. Eating bell peppers regularly can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Number 7, garlic. Garlic contains compounds that can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. One study found that garlic supplementation can reduce the levels of liver enzymes, which can indicate liver damage. Garlic also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help protect against liver infections. Number 8, turmeric. This bright yellow spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have several health benefits, including improving liver function and reducing the risk of liver disease. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against liver damage from toxins and other harmful substances. Number 9, pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are high in antioxidants, including punicalagin and ellagic acid, which can help protect against liver damage and reduce the risk of liver disease. One study found that pomegranate juice can improve liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 10, beets. Beets are a good source of folate, which is important for liver function. They're also a good source of other important nutrients, including manganese, potassium, and vitamin C. Eating beets regularly can help improve liver health and reduce the risk of liver disease. Let's now take a look at what is toxic to your liver. The first is alcohol. As mentioned earlier, drinking too much alcohol can damage the liver cells and lead to inflammation and scarring of the liver. The second is processed foods. These are foods like white bread, white rice, and pastries, which are high in refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. Processed meats, including bacon, sausage, and deli meats, are also bad for the liver. These meats are high in sodium and preservatives, which can damage the liver cells. Another thing that's bad for the liver is exposure to toxins, including pesticides, herbicides, and heavy metals. These toxins can damage the liver cells and lead to inflammation and scarring of the liver. You can reduce your exposure to toxins by eating organic foods whenever possible and by using natural cleaning and personal care products. Finally, too much fructose is also bad for the liver. Fructose is a type of sugar that is found in sauces, soft drinks, honey, and fruits. When consumed in excess, fructose can cause the liver to make more cholesterol, which can lead to clogged arteries and heart disease. If you're taking medications long-term, especially painkillers, statins, or supplements, you consume alcohol regularly, or have a history of binge drinking, you have risk factors like obesity, diabetes, or a family history of liver disease, you're exposed to chemicals or toxins through work or environment, you're exploring intense dietary changes or supplements for a cleanse, then consider talking to your doctor. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more health-related videos. Have a wonderful day.